Hi, I am Rachel, and in this video I will explain how yogurt is produced. Most of us like yogurt, don't we? It is a tasty and healthy snack after all. But how is it produced? Yogurt is produced by adding bacteria to milk and allowing it to ferment. The bacteria used to make yogurt are known as yogurt cultures. These bacteria convert the lactose in the milk to lactic acid, which gives yogurt its characteristic tangy flavor and thick, creamy texture. To make yogurt, milk is first heated to kill any existing bacteria. It is then cooled to a temperature of about 110 degrees Fahrenheit, or 43 degrees Celsius, and a starter culture of yogurt bacteria is added. The milk is then incubated at a warm temperature, around 43 degrees Celsius, for several hours to allow the bacteria to grow and ferment the milk. During the fermentation process, the bacteria consume the lactose in the milk and produce lactic acid. The lactic acid gives yogurt its tangy flavor and also causes the milk proteins to coagulate or thicken, which gives yogurt its thick, creamy texture. After the fermentation process is complete, the yogurt is cooled and can be flavored or sweetened if desired. It is then packaged and sold, or it can be used as an ingredient in other products. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated with my new videos about fitness and health.